What is up, everyone? If you're new to the channel, my name is Juju, and I am a returning YouTuber. And in this channel, you'll find a bunch of, adventures, travel vlogs, truck camping, etc., challenges and everything. I recently rebuilt my truck, so if you haven't seen my last build, go check it out. I'll post it up right up here. With that being said, this video is all about this one. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, I have my friend Miko. He's gonna come out in every video from now on, and what I want from you is just to put the timestamp of what time you've seen him, what time you noticed him. So yeah, so he's somewhere in the video. His name is Miko, and he's from Saturn. So think about that. This one might be easy, but in other videos it might not be as easy. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. And I don't know why, but everyone and everything around me is super loud right now, so I'm just gonna cut to the chase, and without further ado, let's get to this video. Alright, y'all, so it's not perfect or anything, but I just washed it out, put some like soap and other stuff in, and just, used a broom, scrubbed it out, and this is the outcome of it. Like I said, it's not perfect, all the like dirt accumulated over there. So now I just have to vacuum that one more time, and I'm gonna start cutting up on this table right here. We got the plywood ready, plants. Let's do it. Alright, guys, so after I vacuumed everything, cleaned everything up, we got the bottom piece on this side piece. We got the template for the side piece here, so 2 down, 2 more to go for the other side. And yeah, get that. Moving it. What happened? And then you kept going, huh?
And then I kept pressing it. Ah, no, my finger.
Yo,
My thumb.
Alright, y'all, so I actually decided to do it a little different this time. Well, a lot of different actually, but anyways, that calls for us to use other materials that I didn't use last time. Hopefully we finish one of them today, so I'm on my way to Home Depot to get some more materials, and I will put all the like list of materials that I used to get the camper truck done. Let's go to the store. Yes, I got red toes. Alright, got hinges, L brackets, $50. Look at that shit. Okay. So alright. Alright. What do you think, right there?
Nastiness.
So it just started raining, so I had to throw these down for the flooring and lumber. This is what it's looking like right now. So I'm moving in there to finish this piece off. Just to give you a update on what I'm doing. This piece is going on that end, so I have to cut the wheel well situation. So I've got this side cut off, got this one to cut off, and then this one, and this whole piece, half of it had to come off as well. And then that's what we're gonna have left. There's no Kit Kat.
No, why? What you got though? Oh, that's what Mama just said.
Mommy.
Thank you. Thank you, Buddha. Update. Ooh, full socks. Anyways, brought this way more down where we could. I wanted it to go up to here, but that didn't work out. So it's a little bit up, but that's fine because of this. Yep. So y'all see how this protrudes? Yeah, boy. Oh, well. Hold on, I'll show y'all right now. Look at now. Flat jack. Damn, there's mad space in here. I can do flips and tricks.
Oh shoot.
So this is the last coat of sanding, and then I'm gonna get to painting. I'm gonna finish this shit today, all right, y'all? Because it's about that time. It's about that damn time. Yeah, they're all just very loose. They just keep going. So I put these two in the middle. So I'm all done with the second coat. I might do a third one just for the extra whiteness. And just because I got time, I guess. Either that or I might just paint the inside of the drawer. But we'll see. We'll see. Like Layla said, we'll see. Ready? That's better than both. That's a clean clean. That's a clean clean. Selfish.
Don't worry, only you, Tiger.
Okay, there we go. Nice. And there you have it, folks.
Perfect fit.
That looks so yummy. Doesn't it look so yummy? Looks yummy. I'm gonna finish putting the floor in real quick. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Almost done. Alright guys, we got a problem. This thing broke. I'm gonna get this returned and get that fixed up, but not in this video.
So you're gonna have to put music on.
Or just video.
Oh, de este lado, los de estos. ¿Qué es esto?
The cubbies are going here. And here we've got these things. These little cubbies where I'm gonna be able to put a bunch of stuff on it. And then this is to hold it, to hold everything into place pretty much. So it doesn't go flying while I'm driving. Oh, there we go. There you have it. Layla's bed. My bed. Don't have the mattress yet, but we've got these. Yes. Dope, huh? Yeah. So if you made it to the end of this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Also, like I said, if you found my little friend from Saturn, let me know in the comments below. Let me know the time frame. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, love you guys always. Peace.